In the class of energy and transformation, my team and I launched a rocket where we observed that the center of gravity was in the lid when there was no water inside. But when we added the water, the center of gravity moved more lower, so the rocket stayed more stable when it flew away. And that's why it went straight up.
The amount of water and air in the rocket really matter because that's what creates the force that pushes it up. When we launched it, the air pressure inside the bottle forces the water to get out, and that reaction is what lifts the bottle to get up. If we put too much water, the rocket gets heavier and there is no space for the air to build a strong pressure. So it just launches slowly and doesn't go very high. But if we put like too little water, we will have a lot of air pressure, but almost nothing to push it out. So the rocket barely lifts. The amount we used it ended up being the perfect balance because there was enough water to create a strong thrust and enough air to build high pressure. That's why our rocket launched smoothly and reached a good height and stayed stable during its flight.
Science and technology can have significant impact on the environment, and it is important to understand how this happens. For example, rockets often use powerful fuels that release large amounts of gases and particles into the atmosphere, which can contribute to pollution and affect both the air we breathe and the water we depend on. In addition, the process of creating new materials, machines, and electronic devices often requires energy and chemicals that can generate waste or harm natural ecosystems if not handled properly. The challenges remind us as we continue developing new technologies, we must also think about sustainable solutions that protect the planet and reduce negative environmental effects.
So in our physics project, we basically did a rocket that was from a plastic bottle. And obviously we're in high school, so it wasn't like a NASA thing, but it was a simpler thing. The cool part about this project was that we helped the environment. Instead of using real fuel or any toxic chemical, we just use like water as our fuel, and so no weird smells, no fire, just pure nature. And we learned that you can still do fun experiments.
So, the importance of aerospace and the environment. The aerospace industry is very important. It allows us to explore space, launch satellites, and monitor Earth environment by tracking climate, pollution, and natural disasters from space. Aerospace technology helps us protect our planet. This shows that science and technology can help preserve the environment if we use it responsibly. If we don't use it responsibly, we can get in trouble, and that is not how you use technology. Yeah.